Hello and welcome to this video. Today we want to look at MIT App Inventor and the processes you need to use in building your first mobile application using MIT App Inventor. To get started, you go to your browser and type MIT App Inventor and this pops up. Click on the first link, MIT App Inventor, when you've typed it on your search bar on Google. Then you have MIT App Inventor, after which it will lead you to this particular page. At the top of this place, you would see an angle where you need to click on create apps. You just need to click on create apps and give it a few seconds. It loads and then takes you to where you'll be registering with your email. So let's give it a few seconds. It will pop up soon. So as soon as you click on this orange icon, create apps, it lands you to where signing for MIT for the first time. To land you to where you need to create an email. And so as soon as you create an email, you will now be welcomed into the official page. So I already have an MIT account, so I'll just click on this icon to take me to the MIT page itself. Give me a second. So it gets me to this place where I get to see welcome to App Inventor, and I click on continue. Then we have projects which I've run before, so we come up here and click on new projects. Click on new projects and it saves what I've already done before. What I've done before is it's a translator app, and you can watch the next video as to how to the step-by-step guide on how to make your own translator app. Click on new projects. Let's give our project a new name. Let's give it image button. So because that's what we want to do. We want to give it time as it loads. I want to create an app where when you click on the button, it leads you to an image. So just give it a few seconds and it will pop up. So on the left you have your palette, where you have your user interface, and you have your layout, you have your media, drawing and animations, you have your maps, you have your charts, data science, sensors, social, storage, connectivity, extensions, and the likes. On the left, on the right, you have your components, which is actually what you see on your phone decks. And then on the right as well, you see properties. What you need to do, what you are doing to appear. You want to make it big. Properties is where you need to go to by using the size. You want to make it a colored image. You can also use properties to also make it colored. Then on the center of your screen is where you have the phone. The phone is how your app would appear on your mobile phone. And then on top you have where you have projects, where you can create new projects, and then when you're done creating, you can connect it to your phone using AI companion. When you've gone to your Google Play Store to download the MIT App 2 companion on Google Play Store, you can watch a video as to how to connect your MIT app to your phone. And then still on this same channel, you can still watch that video. You can build an APK file from your system, transfer it to your phone, and get it downloaded. You can also get a video on how to do that as well. Settings, from that thing you can see there, where you can use interface settings and all that. So here you can see your trash, you can view your trashes and can view the guide. And then on the block section here, block section is where we have all the codes, all the block codes that get to make our mobile app work. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to go to layout, palette, and drag in vertical arrangement, and then go to your properties on the right and choose width and height as field parent. That being done, have a layout already. You go to user interface and drag in your button. Let's call this button click me. Scroll down to where you have rename text, name the button click me. And if you want to style the text color, you can put a line center. You can text the color to be white if you want to, and then the button color itself, you can make it blue. And then go to vertical arrangement, and then align horizontal, you can choose center. Align vertical, you can choose center, so the screen stays in the center. To make the size of the button, you go back to button 1 and go to size and make them 30. So clicking is what you have. So when you click it, it's not clickable, and we'll go to our block section and make it functional. Now what you need to do next is to get an image, drag an image, drop here the image, and then we need to get an image. But since we can't get an image now, what we need to do is to go to our browser and get an image, because this video will be posted on social media. We need to get images that are copyrighted and free from copyright. So we'll be to use this image. Come to picture where you have no upload file. I'll choose a file. When you click on choose file, it gives you the minute or two, depending on how fast your system is. It will pop up where you will be able to choose from the directory. It's up and it took us quite some time. So let's height, let's put 30%, let's put 20%, and width, let's put 50 parent for the width, make that 50% instead. So let's make this visible. So if you click it, invisible, visible, and then let's go to the block section and code it quickly. Go to a block section, first you need to get to the button. When button 1 is clicked, if you go to image, set image to, flip it, set image 1 to what? To visible. Then type true, then click Then after that, you go back to your gallery, then connect with your phone. Click on AI Companion, scan this code, and if you scan it, click on the app, your image should be visible. So thank you, and please try it out. Let me know if you are able to get the same result, and let me know if it's you're getting the same thing. Please do try it out and let me know, please.